This is actually one of my favorite knives. It's really small and only has 2 blades. But I don't know, I just like the look of it. So here's the big blade. And here's the small blade. You can get a look at the handle when it's folded. And like I said, I really like this knife, although, I mean, there's nothing really that stands out about it. Maybe I like it because of the grips on the handle, or the fact that it's a little smaller than most of the other knives I have, or maybe because the handle's black. I don't really know, but I do like it. And there is something written on the blade. It looks like it says it's hard to make out. FD27, I think. Let's see if I can get it. If I don't think it'll focus. Come on. No. Well, oh, that was a little close there. Yeah, I think it says FD27, or possibly just FD2, and that other thing is not a 7. I'm not sure. Well, anyway, nice little compact knife, and I will see you soon.